Hello! Today we're going to talk about how to access the MyGADs information repository portal from a Blackberry brand wireless communications device. We assume you already know a bit about the MyGADs service. If you don't, you may want to view one of our other tutorials first. The best way to access MyGADs from the Blackberry is to download and install our client application. Use your Blackberry's built-in browser to go to the site mygads-blackberry.teragram.com and click the download link. You now have a new icon on your Blackberry's home screen. Click on it to open the MyGADs Blackberry application. The first time you do this, you will be prompted to log in to the system. If you so choose, the application will remember your login information so you can bypass this step in the future. If you don't already have a MyGADs account, you can create one here. You'll now see a screen full of icons, similar to the Blackberry home screen. Whereas the Blackberry home screen is the starting point for organizing your personal information, the MyGADs home screen is the starting point for organizing and accessing information shared within an enterprise organization. In essence, your collaborative Blackberry. Each of the icons here corresponds to a different part of the MyGADs system: chat, statements, pages, labels, search, and users. In the corner of the screen, you can see the name of the current GAD. Each of the operations here, search, managing pages, etc., acts upon information in that GAD. To switch to a different GAD or create a new one, use the last icon. Here's a GAD which contains information about our company, Teragram. We'll use it to explore the MyGADs Blackberry interface in more detail. Click on the chat icon. This is the most free-form interface to the information in MyGADs. Simply ask it questions in plain English, and it will return the answer. This question was answered based on information in the current GAD, but you can also ask questions based on general knowledge. Press the Blackberry's Back button to return to the MyGADs home screen. Let's look at pages next. Say that we wanted to read about Teragram's OEM solutions. Scroll through the list or start typing the name to narrow down your choices. You can now view the page in the MyGADs embedded browser, which supports all the standard colors, pictures, tables, links, etc. A very powerful feature of MyGADs is the ability to edit pages right on the Blackberry. You can update information on the go without waiting to get back to your office. You can even create new pages from scratch. Editing pages is so convenient, you may soon find that you and your coworkers have created quite a few of them in your GAD. To organize them, MyGADs allows you to assign them labels. Let's look at the label Company Information. Now the list of pages is a more manageable size, just the ones which have been tagged with the label. Labels can be arranged hierarchically, so you can also see the list of labels, contact information, and jobs, which are more specific than company information. If you have write access to the GAD, you can edit the labels too. Let's create a narrower label underneath company information to identify pages about Teragram's office facilities. MyGADs presents you with a list of existing labels so that you can easily turn them into narrower labels under company information, moving them around in the hierarchy. However, we want to create a new one, so we type its name ourselves. We know that the contact page shows a picture of our company headquarters, so let's tag it with the new label. You can see that it already has the label contact information, but these aren't mutually exclusive. Each page can have as many labels as you want. So, you can navigate to pages from the Pages screen, from links in the browser, and from the label hierarchy. You can also find pages by using search. Let's search for pages which contain the keyword language. Because Teragram specializes in linguistic software, there are quite a few pages which match. Let's narrow it down a bit using this next feature. In addition to the pages that match your query, MyGADs also tells you about related labels, which you can use to refine your search. A lot of the pages that talk about language are press releases, tagged with the news label. But we're not interested in those now. Let's filter them out. Click on News and say Exclude. Now there are fewer matching pages, but the results are still not as focused as we'd like. Let's restrict our search to Teragram's language solutions. Only 3 results. That's much more manageable. Click on a page to view it. That concludes our tour of the MyGADs Blackberry application. While the Blackberry provides a powerful interface to MyGADs, remember you can also access the MyGADs system from other mobile phones and from desktop web browsers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using MyGADs.